Hi, Doc. Nick here. If you've ever run Google AdWords for dental implant services or cosmetic treatments and you didn't get the new patient appointments you hoped for, maybe even lost money to Google's complicated AdWords program, that happens. Running Google AdWords can be tricky, but often it's this one mistake that I see in almost every AdWords campaign for dentists that cause about 90% of those who click your ad to never schedule an appointment with you. So what's the mistake? It's this. When people click on your ad, they're being sent to the practice's homepage, and that is a disaster for your ad campaign. So what's wrong with your homepage? Nothing. Your homepage is probably great, but it's not designed to do that. What it's designed to do is to present an overview of the services you offer, maybe biographies of your staff or contact information, etc. What it's not designed to do is to convert people who click on your ad into patients sitting in one of your chairs. And that's because there's issues with relevancy. The homepage is not necessarily specifically relevant to your ad. And also it's distracting. I mean, this is something I mocked up here, of course, but it's not that different from a lot of homepages that I see. And so when your clickers, they have microscopic attention spans. Now, you know this. And if one of those ad clickers lands on your homepage, there's about a 90% chance that they're going to click away in seconds. And because they're looking for something that connects the ad to what they clicked. And if they don't find it immediately, most of the time they are gone. The more people who leave your website quickly, the lower your quality score, which is part of Google's algorithm, extremely important, the worse your positioning will be, and the bottom line is your campaign won't produce the revenue you want. So how can you fix this? Send your ad clickers to a relevant landing page and not your homepage, all right? So already we decided no more homepage, okay? A landing page prompts visitors to take one well-defined action. It's like a funnel. You want them to do one thing, and that's to schedule an appointment. So in our example here, here's our ad, $999 dental implant surgery special. When someone clicks on it, here is a landing page template we use for some of our clients. You see, the first thing you see is the headline on the landing page is the exact same headline as the ad. And that's very important to its relevancy and its quality score with Google. Maybe there's a little more information about the special, what's being offered, but the only thing you can click here is book your appointment. Nothing else is clickable. So you can scroll down if they want to, maybe a little info about the doctor. Again, the only clickable thing here is book. And then here's info about the other services, but by design, none of these are clickable because you don't want to distract them. The only thing here that you can click is book your appointment. So a quality landing page guides clickers to your desired outcome. Again, it's booking an appointment. It significantly will increase the number of inquiries about your services. So if you want to build a landing page or have whoever set up your AdWords build one, there's a number of tools you can use. ClickFunnels, Instapage, there's a bunch of them out there that are high quality and fairly straightforward to set up. The thing you have to remember, though, is if you're running multiple campaigns, let's say you're running ads for cosmetic and running ads for teeth cleaning and dental implants, you're going to need a unique landing page for each campaign. Now, the landing page is not the only thing that you have to consider, of course, to improve your ad campaign. There's also demographics. Are you targeting the right people? What's your bid amount? Because this is all an auction with Google, so are you bidding the right amount? How relevant is your ad to what it is the searcher is looking for? Have you targeting the right keywords, the right search terms? Are those the correct ones? And then, of course, you're going to have to try out your ad copy and make sure your ad copy is crisp enough and provocative enough to get somebody to click on it. Okay? That may be a lot, and if it sounds like something you don't want to tackle yourself, or if whoever's doing this for you, you have questions about, we can help supercharge your Google AdWords campaign. There's a couple of different buttons down below this ad where you can either send me an email or even schedule time to talk about it. But let's talk and see if we can help boost and supercharge the power of your AdWords campaign.